Hi everyone, welcome to week 7. For week 7, we're going to be focusing on two different market structures. We're going to be focusing on oligopolies and monopolies. And an oligopoly market structure is a market structure where there are few firms that sell very similar products but are highly competitive in aspects of the market. When we look at oligopolies, a good example of oligopolies would be airlines. Airlines are highly competitive. There's only few firms in the market, and they watch each other when they make pricing decisions. You'll notice that the level of competition will be very important. So when you look at the level of competition in these market structures with oligopolies, there's not as many firms operating. So what happens is they're able to watch each other. When they watch each other, they're able to make decisions that the other firm does in terms of their pricing. Now we go to the next market structure, we look at monopolies. Monopolies are characterized as a market structure where they're the sole producer of a good or service. And when they're the sole producer of a good or service, monopolies are able to influence the market price, as they're classified as a price maker or price searcher in the market. For this week, you're going to be reading chapters 14 through 16. I have some interesting videos for you to review. I think you'll find them very interesting in the fact that they'll focus on how monopolies will operate and how monopolies and oligopolies are able to sustain long-run economic profits. Then by Tuesday, you have the discussion board post, and what we're looking at is the high barriers to entry and exit in the market. So, describe a monopoly that has come to light in recent years and evaluate the relationship of the current market characteristics. So look at a monopoly that's in your local area. So that's what you want to look at. Give me a monopoly in your local area and relate it to the market characteristics of why it is a monopoly. In your example, you want to make sure to have an APA formatted in-text citation or reference to support your work. Then due by Friday, you want to have at least 2 peer responses, which can be to any of the questions that I ask or to your peers. Then due by Saturday, you have your quiz, which you'll have 2 attempts, 60 minutes, 20 multiple choice questions, and I'll take the highest of the 2 attempts. I will give you the incorrect answer, so make sure to review it after the 2nd attempt. And then due Saturday at your reflection. And what I want you to look at is the significance between monopolies and oligopolies. Describe differences or examples in your daily life. Elaborate on those choices. Explain the roles of pricing strategies. So why do oligopolies watch each other? Why are oligopolies classified as strategic interdependence? Why are oligopolies not trying to price their products based on what they're doing, but rather what our markets are doing? So that's why I want you to focus your efforts. If you'd like me to pre-grade your work, please let me know, as I'd be more than willing. But I look forward to your effort this week.